Mark your calendars. PowerTest 2023 is March 8th through 12th. Register now for this premier electrical maintenance and safety conference. NETA will host PowerTest 2023 at the Rosen Shingle Creek Resort in Orlando, Florida. Professionals from across the electrical power industry will gather for advanced learning opportunities. Sessions focus on today's most relevant topics, such as NFPA 70E updates, transformer and relay troubleshooting, wind farm transmission maintenance, system data monitoring, and partial discharge testing. Now, these are just a few of the roughly 60 courses you can attend. You'll see many familiar faces at PowerTest as technicians, engineers, and project managers return each year for this specialized training. But it's also an event where you can reconnect with colleagues and industry experts. Whether you're new to PowerTest or a familiar participant, we're all focused on building knowledge and promoting electrical systems safety and reliability. So mark your calendars for PowerTest 2023, March 8th through 12th in Orlando, Florida. Register now during early bird registration and save $100. We'll see you at PowerTest 2023.